like the way you, I like the way you dance for me.
Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toya. I know I have been missing for a couple of weeks. I've just been recuperating. I've moved just for a little while, you know, to a new location, and you know, just trying to get settled in and all of that stuff. I don't want to bore y'all too much. I know y'all are hyped and excited to get into this tutorial, so if y'all want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep watching. So I've started off with brows already. I've prepped my eyes. Basically what I did, I just add some concealer on my lids, and then I add some pressed powder just to set everything. And what you see me doing here, I'm adding some blush actually, and I use that as my transition color today. So I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to blend that right on top of my crease area. Going into this multicolor palette, I ordered this palette from Shop Hush. I will have the link down below in the description box. So I'm going to take this mauvey purple pinkish color and I'm going to add that right into my crease area. And this has a little bit of shimmer in it, so basically I'm going from lightest to darkest on my lids today. And so I'm just going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to blend that into my crease. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this purple right here, and that is called Gypsy, and I'm going to add that in the inner corner, well sorry, the outer corner of my lids. And later on you will see me change the color because the color that I wanted this color wasn't giving me the payoff that I was expecting. So I changed into another palette and I got the bright purple that I wanted. So you'll see me change that in a bit. And the palette that I'm using today is the multicolor palette, and I got this from Amazon a couple years ago. This palette is probably 3 years old. So I'm going to take that same purple and I'm going to dab that right onto the outer corner, and I'm just going to smoke it out a little bit more. So next I'm going to use some concealer and I'm going to create a cut crease. I am not good at cut crease, guys, so this cut crease is going to look horrible, but we're trying here. So if you are good at cut creasing, good for you, kudos. So I'm just going to add some concealer there, and this concealer will help to make the eyeshadow pop even more. So when I'm done with setting this concealer, I'm going to go ahead and add the yellow eyeshadow, and we're just going to pat that all over the lids right where we applied the concealer. So now I'm just going to go back into that same purple that I used earlier, and I'm just going to combine those two colors together. I'm basically trying to avoid that sharp line. So you're just going to take that purple and you're just going to blend it a little bit with the yellow so you can create kind of a seamless look. And mine was horrible, so I needed to have blended some more, but whatever. So I added some powder on my face just now, guys, and I hated the end result. First of all, the powder was too white for me and it made my foundation look all horrible and dried up. So I don't know, I was just all over the place with this foundation today. It was horrible. But anyway, moving on, we're just going to blend this foundation into the skin. And I really like this foundation though. It is a great foundation, but the powder was messing everything up. But you know, we live and we learn, so let's keep it pushing. Next, I've used my concealer and I'm going to blend this out with my beauty sponge, and I'm starting off with my forehead, and then I do my under eyes last because I want it to set more and just for the product to heat up and, you know, be more movable. So that's what I'm doing here. So if you are a true subscriber, you do know that I give tips in all of my videos. So the tip for today is when you're applying your concealer, you want to apply concealer based on the shape of your face. I have a more narrow face, so I would always add my concealer going outward. So I'd always push my concealer all the way out just to broaden my face a little bit more. And you know, contouring is kind of not really important for me, but I still do it anyway because who doesn't like some strong cheekbones, right? I do. So that is a tip for today. Whatever shape face you have, you want to make sure that you use your concealer just to shape and frame your face. So what you see me doing here next, I'm just setting my concealer with some powder, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 30. I'm just using all of that powder under my eyes because I'm gonna go ahead and add some purple and some gold on the lower lash line like you see me doing here, and that is just to catch whatever follow that I will get from this eyeshadow. So that's the reason why I'm using all of that powder. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some mascara to my lower lash line, and I'm adding a little bit of blush today, not too much blush because I'm not a blush girl, but my looks have been coming out really nice lately when I do use that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some lipstick today. And I'm using this light pink in the middle, and then I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with that dark purple. And later on I did add a darker purple because the purple kind of faded in with the pink, so I'm just gonna add some dark purple, but you'll see that at the end. Now let's get some highlight, you guys. Y'all know the routine, you know, nothing strange here, same old. Well, okay loves, that concludes the look for today. I sure hope that you enjoyed this tutorial as always. I have the products right here that I will be giving away. So I will be giving away 3 makeup brushes. This is a makeup brush set. I will also be giving away 2 brow pencils, and it does come with the spoolie at the end. And I will also be giving away 1 lipstick, and this is a Color Lock brown lipstick. These are wonderful products, and I'm sure that the winner will enjoy their products. I've used all of these products before and they are wonderful. So all you need to do to enter this giveaway is to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it on Facebook if you have Facebook. If you do have Instagram, I will have my Instagram listed down below. Go on my Instagram and you can repost the photo. You do not have to follow me on Instagram, but you can if you want to. Just go ahead and repost the photo and comment done. I will be checking, guys, so be sure to follow the rules. I will have all the giveaway rules listed down in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Everything will be listed down there as well. And I know I've been gone for a minute, and I thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. It's just been a lot going on, and you know, I've moved for a little while, so my location is different. Obviously my background is different. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I have a couple more videos coming and they will be lit, so just stay tuned. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.